Hello, in this next SMARTBoard video, I'm going to walk you through how to display your computer onto your SMARTBoard and be able to manipulate your computer directly from your SMARTBoard. And I'm also going to display how to project your document camera onto the SMARTBoard. So let's start with the computer. My computer is already turned on. This is the classroom computer that's already in your classroom, ready to go, plugged in. And if you forgot how to plug in, check out the first video on SMARTBoards to see. But this one's already plugged in, so I'm going to come in here on the SMARTBoard and select Input. By selecting Input, I see that my computer screen is already down here in HDMI 2. For the most part, all of yours will display in HDMI 2, but if it's plugged into a different HDMI, you may see it up here in HDMI 1 or HDMI 3. As long as you see your screen, select the one that shows your screen. I selected the wrong one, let's go back. So I can click right here on HDMI 2. All I did was turn my screen on. I selected HDMI 2, and now I can use this just like I would a computer, or I can type on the computer and turn things on from the computer, and it will just directly display on the SMARTBoard. So that's a great feature to be able to duplicate your display from the computer to the SMARTBoard. Next, let's go through how to project your document camera. Once you turn your document camera on, it may take a few seconds for it to load. While it's loading, I can see that it's loading right here. I can click on this black screen and it's going to open it up on here. It does take a few seconds to connect, but now that it's connected, anything I display underneath the document camera, I'll be able to see on the screen right here. So what I'm currently displaying is the remote. And if I zoom in to that remote a little bit, you can see some of the key buttons. Right here we have our power button. Go back, we can display, choose the display that we want to utilize. We can choose to cover up half the screen, the bottom half, the right half. So all of these you can play with. If you need additional support with your remote, please reach out to your site IT. For the most part, you're going to be turning it on and off. You're going to zoom in and you're going to zoom out. These are the displays on the remote itself. To go back and forth, so let's say I want to show from my from my document camera to my computer to Smart, I can simply click the home screen on the board itself, where now I can see my recent. I can quickly go back to my computer. I can also click the input button in the bottom right corner, and I can select between the computer or the document camera, go back to the home, go to the apps. So you can do it all right there, as well as on your SMARTBoard remote. So all of that is there, ready for you to easily use and easily accessible. The last part of projecting that I want to walk you through on this home screen is the screen share option. So I can display from my computer, dock camera, or I can screen share. If I select that screen share button, I can actually display from a phone. So I can go through each of these steps, make sure I'm connected to Wi-Fi. I'm not connected to Wi-Fi right now, so I won't be able to do it from my phone, but connect to Wi-Fi, and then you would simply be able to scan the code that's going to pull up, and you would be able to share your screen that way. So that's a really nice tool too. If there's ever something that's not on your computer, dock camera, or on the web that's built in, you can pull it up directly from your phone. Great for pictures and other things like that. But these are the basics to your SMARTBoard. This is how you project your displays. I'm going to walk you through a few quick things on how to change your computer display, but other than that, you should be good to go.